Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use pings in League of Legends and communicate effectively with your team. Let's start with the basic ping. By default, you can press G and then left-click anywhere near your character or directly on the map to place a ping. Another way to do this is by holding the Alt key and left-clicking. This works the same way and gives you quick access during gameplay. Now, let's talk about the ping wheel. To open it, press G, then click and hold your left mouse button. This will bring up a wheel with multiple ping options. In the center, you'll see the default ping, but you can move your cursor in different directions to choose specific pings like on my way, retreat, assist me, enemy missing, need vision, enemy vision, push, or all in. Once you've selected the one you want, just release the mouse button to send it. You don't have to hold G the entire time. Just tap it once, then click and hold to open the wheel and choose your ping. If you want even faster communication, you can customize your controls. Press Escape to open the settings, go to Hotkeys, then Communication. Here, you can assign specific keys to individual pings. For example, you might bind a key like H to quickly signal enemy vision without opening the wheel. And remember, every ping can also be used directly on the map, not just near your character. That's all for this guide. If you found it helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.